Well, pleasure to have you, Devyani. And I know you have a lot of experience in SAP working with content. And I actually wanted to specifically ask you about how do you manage multicultural aspects and localize content across, I don't know, like 70 countries you have presence in?
That's correct, yeah. Yeah, so first of all, thank you for inviting me, and thank you for the question. So localization has been a very important part of our strategy, of our content strategy from the beginning. We do quite a few things. Just to give you an impression of what would be the key facets or key elements of this, we have a very clear local opt-in. We like to call it opt-in, where the local marketing units or the countries have a say in what global content would be used for their marketing tactics and activities. It sounds simple, but it's pretty complex when you talk about a multitude of languages. The other thing is, whenever we release something, it always, in a particular language, it always goes through a local review process. So folks who are sitting in that language, who are sitting in that country, and who are going to use the particular content would have a chance to review it. Also for our website, we have localized versions. We are working even more on it to make it more local and to improve the culture and the tonality of it, making it align perfectly with each country. But we make sure there's always a localized call to action. There's local imagery, for example, which is not consistent. And we also make sure that there's local copywriting or local copy editing, so that it is the market aspects, the market priorities of that market are in line with the content that we're communicating. Yeah.
And so you have a team in local markets who does all that, or is it a centralized operation?
Yeah, so one of the things that we are doing is we are trying to get away from central local barriers. We are starting to even not use the terms global. It's going to be a long way till we get there, but we are trying to. So yes, we do have a team which is coordinating, which is making sure that the process is being facilitated. It is in the purview of our team, but we work directly, or we try to work directly with local marketing. So the marketing which has the objective of demand generation and so on, we want to work with them, and we want to make sure that they get a chance to see the content before.
So you bring in the local input and then have this non-demarcated, centralized or decentralized, it's less demarcated, and then have a process-based approach, is that?
That's correct. Okay. That's absolutely correct. They are part of our team. And then, no, I'm sorry, I should not say that. They're not officially a part of our team, local marketing, but they are part of the process. So seamlessly, we work seamlessly with them. We are also, what we are doing, and it's not ready yet, but what we are doing is like collecting local nuances somehow. So, for example, folding hands. What does it mean in different cultures? Or in the business context, what does shaking hands imply in different cultures? And sort of trying to make a little database on that, but it's not there yet. And once we have that, we can use that also for localizing our content.
Well, thank you, Devyani. It's interesting to see how a company like SAP is actually understanding those local nuances and paying attention to those, which is really important in this digital and globalized world. So.
Hope you do a good job, and we make the customer feel important and feel specific, because that's what it is about.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nitesh.